these are the three components, okay? You got your colorant here, your part B, isocyanate, and the main ESD portion of the material. This has all the particulate in it. This is the stuff that you want to make sure you get really pre-mixed well. And to do so, you generally have to decant it into another pail. It's a good idea to actually pre-shake these the day before. So if you're on the job site, turn the pails upside down, shake them up a little bit. What you're going to find is you've got sort of a liquid portion on the top, and you're going to probably likely get a sludge on the bottom. The sludge is the most important part. So in order to get that out of there, pour that in. By the way, that helped a lot. And then you're left with this in the bottom. Okay, the easiest way to get that out is take a 5-in-1. You ready? Can you get on top of that? Slice it like a pie. Okay. And you'll see that that allows you to get it out pretty easily. Can you see that, Dave?
Yep.
Dump that in without getting splashed. Now you're left with this. Ain't stir. Most important part again is getting is every bit of out there as you can, reasonably so. That would be fine. Nothing left in there. Okay. Good idea to have a variable speed drill, because if you put this on real fast, you're just going to get splashed all over the place. So start slow and gradually break that stuff up, that sludge up, and you'll be able to go faster and faster, kind of like beat it up in there. It's kind of an art to doing this. But you'll feel it. It pretty quick. It goes into solution. Can you see it? Once I get it to where I think it's pretty good and there's no chunks and it's thicker, I tend to like to take my pail like this, which gives you more depth. Really beat it like that. Now you just add the color once you get it all broken in. To mix it much. Okay, now we're going to pour in the hardener, the isocyanate, part B. Now, you don't have to mix it real fast speed because it's pretty low viscosity. Usually you mix it 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're just pouring it through a paint filter just so there's no chunks that might not be broken up in there. It's just a nice step to take to assure yourself that you don't have any debris when you're dealing with material of this kind of expense. Sure can make your life a lot easier. The nice thing about this is you're not generally trying to catch up with your rollers because this stuff spreads at about 800 feet, so your mix guy usually has time to work back here. This job specified with glass bead aggregate. To give it a little more texture, non-slip, cleanability properties and all that. So we're just going to add, in this case, 4 ounces of glass bead to this mix. Pretty simple, you just get it, mix it in. Doesn't require a lot of mixing. It's the proper application method. Dip your roller, go 2 passes. Dip it again and start at the opposite side this time. Start at the opposite side of your pass, which you see him doing there the first time he started on the other side. He goes 4 passes, and then he perpendicularly rolls it. So now you can see where he was. It's a good even distribution. A nice texture. And to smooth everything out, you have another member of the crew just finished rolling it. Perpendicular to how that was put down by your initial 3 guys. And that'll smooth out everything, any roller lines, any overlap marks, which actually on this floor we have very few of to begin with.